What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. As this video is being posted, I am officially out of school, which starts the best summer ever. So just first of all, get hyped because lots of fun videos coming soon. But second of all, I'm done with school and I want to send y'all back in time a little bit because I used this camcorder right here and I filmed the last couple weeks of school on it. So I hope y'all enjoy and I'll see y'all, I guess, in the past.
What's up, guys? We're back with another YouTube video today. Today we will be... Oh, I have to press record?
It's recording.
Yeah, here, I'll film it.
I got it. And I made it yours. And I have
What do we get? Oh, today we're gonna be flipping porta potties.
I just got you saying naughty words.
Oh my goodness.
That's going on my channel.
Report him to Genie Scan.
It's field day. Well, it's just alcohol. Oh my god. Just rip it. Hey! Let's go, baby.
Let me get the camera.
We're about to win, actually. St. Michael's about to win.
Right.
Jason, what do you say?
We finna win.
What do you gotta say? What do you gotta say?
St. Therese is probably not gonna win, but Mr. Murs is gonna help out.
I look good, bro. Jason, we're about to win. We're about to win.
Dirty talk, dirty dance. She a freaky girl, and I'm a freaky man. She on the rebound, broke up with an ex, and I'm like Rodman, ready on deck. I told her wanna ride out, and she said yes. We didn't go to church, but I got blessed.
That's some inspiring words.
Oh, we're done.
That's great. That's great. That was great.
I think I covered all the inspiration. Hey, keep striving for greatness. You're worth everything in the world. Let's go. Let's go. You know what popcorn? Hey, you know what popcorn means?
Nah.
You know what popcorn means?
Oh baby, ooh, give me the time of my life.
Tonight I'ma lose my mind. Better get yours, cause I'm gonna get mine. Party every night, like my last. Mommy know the drill, shake that ass. Go ahead, baby, let me see what you got. You know you got the biggest booty in this spot, and I just wanna see that thing drop. From the back to the front to the top. You know me, I'm off in the cut. Always like a squirrel, looking for a nut. This is up the show, I'm talking about.
Hey, you gotta go, but thank you so much, you know. Hey, love this YouTube channel, even though I don't subscribe or anything.
Oh, no, you're not in the video.
Let's turn it up.
I knew my rent was gonna be late about a week ago. I worked my ass off, but I still can't pay it though. But I got just enough to get off in this club.
Chicken in the air. Now. Right here.
What do you gotta say? What you gotta say?
I'm Miss Purple.
Oh my god.
Rip it.
Can I say something on the camera?
Say whatever.
So you might as well roll it up, blow it up, drink it up, throw it up tonight.
Happiness hit her.
And I got this for you too. Right. So
I've never really liked
she hit around corners and she hit
So like high school years ending, we're about to be upperclassmen. What's some inspirational words you have for like people coming into high school? Don't come. What's an inspirational thing you have?
I'd say just work hard every day.
Hit the sheet every day.
What is some advice you have to people coming into high school?
Make friends with Braden Bauer.
Did you know that you're younger now than you are now?
Our love was lost. Hey, where'd you go? Well, now we found. Oh yeah. Where'd you go? Doing a happy dance. Oh my god, this shit's spoken. Doing a happy dance. Doing a happy dance.
Eric Fuentes.
I'm out of here.
Finally graduate. Do you have any wise words to give us?
Hey, enjoy while you're here. You know, you want to get out of here, but at the same time, hey, just have fun. Take it one day at a time.
Thank you.
Any wise words? Participate in everything you can.
The clip. Like that. I need a picture.
It's horrible what they did to you on that island, man.
They're funny guys.
This is my day one right here.
I need words of wisdom.
Just graduated
Just
from 8th
graduation.
grade.
Words of wisdom.
Just graduated from 8th grade.
Words of wisdom, Noah.
Hey, don't let underclassmen bully you, bro. Don't let underclassmen bully you.
Ryan, can we get some words of wisdom?
Ryan, I get this. Is this YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Hi, Ty Lewis. I don't see you here, but hi.
Ryan, you gonna miss us?
Hi, bro.
We're gonna be teammates in 2 years, bro.
All right.
Yeah. How does it feel to be graduated?
It feels great.
You got any advice for the audience?
Check out moms at all times.
Which freshman girl are you gonna miss the most?
Hi guys. Okay, James, what's your favorite place to eat? Is it McDonald's?
Rolling. How do you feel that you've now graduated? How do you feel? Good?
Super senior coming back next year.
Oh no! Words of wisdom.
You know. Do good in school.
Yeah!
Like him young?
What?
You like him young?
What are we talking about?
Graduated last year.
Grade.
These are false accusations. You know, I'm brown and everyone wants to.
Anthony said the same thing.
Hey, chat, I'm brown and everyone wants to just persecute me, so.
Speak to the camera, all right? Any words of advice for the young class?
Don't do drugs. Life's hard, but rehab's harder.
Yep. I mess with that. Explain to me this. How high are you right now?
I'm not high at all, bro.
I'm not like Nick. Nick Rudin. He's high. He's high.
Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. They're red.
I'm ecstatic. What is it for? Get video, James.
James, are we smoking? We got that on video, man. You got it for. Where's your mom at?
It's not his, bro.
You can cut it here and then we're done.
What's up, crazy crew? What's up, crazy crew? Today we're back with another video. Today we will be lighting Luke on fire. The lighting Luke on fire prank.
Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. All I wanna do is
We're filming a documentary. Docu project.
Poison for the system, pyro skulls and bones, sticks and stones and weed and bombs, running when we hit lethal poison for the system. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner, prepaid wireless. We pack and deliver like UPS trucks. Already going hell, just pumping that gas. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner.
You are not dismissed.
Black History Month or the Book of Mormon?
Don't watch.
You know, that's sophomore wrapped up. Thank y'all for watching. You know, we're back at it. New videos every Wednesday this summer. 2024 takeover, full effect. Thanks for watching. Love y'all.
Yeah, I go on and on. Can't understand how I last so long. I must have the superpowers. Last 223,000 hours, and it's cause I'm off of CC. And I'm off the Hennessy. And like your boy from Compton said, you know this ain't free. I got girls that I should've made pay for it. Got girls that I should've made wait for it. I got girls that'll cancel a flight back home. Stay another day for it. You got attitude on nana, yo. On agua, and yo. Stomach on flat, and yo. On what's that? And yeah, I need it all right now. Last year I had drama.
James, are you recording?
Wait, yeah, I'm recording.
This is my friend James Corbett.
He is not high and he's an upstanding citizen.
His eyes.
What did you do?
Stop.